Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. Today, we're going to install the floorboard extensions on this 2026 Road Glide, so let's get to it. These are also available for trike models, but be aware that if you have a Gen 2 trike or bagger with lower fairings, it will push the fairings out. We have customers running them this way, but this is not an application we can support. You will need a 5/16 Allen head socket bit. We recommend breaking the bolts loose by hand. Harley uses a very liberal amount of thread locker on these, and you can get a much better feel of the Allen head bit in the bolt head by hand rather than with an impact driver. So break them loose by hand, and then you can zip them out with power tools. We do include the premium stainless hardware. Be sure to apply medium thread locker to those before installing. The brackets are 6061 billet aluminum and are machined to match the profile of the floorboard bracket itself. They are also powder coated to match the finish of the frame. When installed, it all appears to be OEM and does not draw attention in any way. Torque to 36 through 42 foot-pounds and move over to the other side. Installation is virtually the same on this side. If you were installing onto a trike model, the spacer configuration would be slightly different due to the parking brake, but still, the install process is the same. Now with the boards extended out, you get much more space between your foot and the engine. This reduces the radiating felt heat in addition to giving you more floorboard real estate for your feet. If you are concerned about lean angle, understand that yes, your boards themselves may touch down sooner. This does not reduce the angle at which then the bike can lean. You can see here that by the time the extended floorboard brackets touch down, the tire is already off the road. This can vary based on suspension height, of course. As you can see, that's a really straightforward installation. We offer these floorboard extensions for many different model bikes. So if you want to know if we have some that will fit your bike, you can shoot us an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com. Leave us a comment below. We get back to every comment. Or give us a call at 662-252-8828. Thank you, and y'all ride safe out there.